In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front door weather strip on a Honda CR-V. It's located behind the front door. Now that we have the door open, this is the weather strip that we're going to be replacing. It's on the body, not actually on the door. We need to remove this trim panel, which you can use an interior trim tool. Lift up like that. Lift straight up. Pull up on your weather strip, straight up. And peel it away from the inside of the door. And there's your weather strip. This is the new weather strip. The puffy side faces out. On the inside, you're going to see a groove. That groove goes along this piece of metal all the way around. Doesn't matter where you start putting the weather strip on, it all has to go on. I like to start at the bottom. Just push down into the groove. When you get to pieces like this and it just wants to fold under, you can take your trim tool behind it, just pull towards you. Take your trim piece, line these 3 tabs up, 3 holes here, and just push straight down. After you install your door weather strip, you want to make sure your door closes properly and seals. Doesn't want to pop out, and this one closes properly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.